Hi, kindergarten. Every day we do the letter, the word, and the sound that it makes. So let's do it now. I'll say, then you say, so you hear how I do it, and then I can hear how you do it. Let's add some rhythm. Ready? A, apple, ah. Good. B, balloon, b. C, car, k. D, duck, d. E, elephant, e. F, fish, f. G, gumball, g. H, horse, h. Nice job. I, igloo, I. J, jacket, j. Good. K, koala, k. L, leaf, l. Nice. M, mouse, m. N, net, n. O, octopus, ah. Good, that's a tricky one. P, pear, p. Good. Q, queen, qua. Good job. R, rainbow, Nice. S, saw, s. T, truck, t. U, umbrella, a. V, violin, v. W, whale, w. X, x-ray, x. Just like in fox, remember? X. Y, yarn, y. Nice job, almost done. Z, zebra, z. Nice job, kindergarten. Keep practicing those. They make your brain stronger so you can read and write.